Hello everyone, today we will present about Agile Testing.
Introduction. Agile testing is a software testing methodology that emphasizes collaboration, communication, and continuous improvement to deliver high-quality software quickly and efficiently. Let's next go to the next slide.
The content number 1, what is Agile Testing? Content number 2, Agile Testing Principle. Content number 3, Agile Testing Process. And the last is Agile Testing Technology and Tools. What is Agile Testing? Agile Testing is an interactive software testing approach that emphasizes continuous testing and collaborations between developers, testers, and stakeholders to devise high-quality software quickly and effectively.
Agile testing principle. The four Agile testing principles are continuous feedback and testing. Agile testing emphasizes continuous feedback and testing throughout the software development process. This helps to identify and fix issues early on, leading to faster and more efficient development cycle. Collaborative approach. Agile testing involves collaboration between developer, tester, and stakeholder. This ensures that everyone is working toward a common goal helps to prevent misunderstanding and miscommunication. Emphasis on customer satisfaction. Agile testing places a strong emphasis on customer satisfaction and delivering software that meets their needs. This involves regular communication with customers to understand their requirements and incorporating their feedback into the development process. Adapting to change. Agile testing recognizes that change is inevitable and embraces it as part of the development process. This means being flexible and adapting to changing requirements, priorities, and technology to ensure that the software being developed is always relevant and up to date.
Agile testing process. The Agile testing process is an implementation approach to testing that focuses on delivering working software quickly and effectively to the improvement stage. First, test planning. This phase development defines the test system, strategy, objective, and scope of the testing effort. Test planning also involves identifying the test environment and setting up the necessary infrastructure, such as test tools and the automation frameworks. Second, test design interface. The test cases are designed based on the requirements and acceptance testing, test design evaluation, identifying the best data, creating test scripts, and define the expected result. Third, test execution. The test evaluation action the best test case and scripts, either modeling or using automation tools. Test execution involves verifying the actual results as in the expected result, identifying this phase to reporting them to the development team. And the last, test reporting interface. In this the result and analysis and the reporting to the stakeholders, including the development team, project managers, and the customer. Test coding environment document the test result, identifying trends, the pattern, and provide recommendation for improvement.
Agile testing technique. There are several agile testing techniques that can be used to improve the quality and efficiency of the software development process. These include test-driven development. TDD is software development technique that involves writing automated tests before writing the code. TDD helps to ensure that the code meets the requirement and is free of defect. TDD also promotes a more interactive and increment development process. Acceptance test-driven development (ATDD) similar to TDD but focus on defining and automating acceptance tests based on the requirement. This helps to ensure that the software meets the customer needs and expectations. Behavior-driven development is a collaborative approach to testing that involves defining the expected behavior of the software in a natural language format that can be understood by all stakeholders. BDD helps to ensure that the software is developed according to the customer needs and is user-friendly. Activity testing. Activity testing is manual testing technique that involves comparing the software to identify defects and ensure activity testing is flexible and can be adapted to setting requirements, making it ideal for agile development. Activity testing can also help to identify usability issues and other issues that may not be detected by automated testing.
So now let's talk about Agile Testing 2. The first one is why we're using Agile Testing 2. Agile Testing 2 helps us with the tasks like this in the slide: streamline Agile process, collaboration and communication, test case management, test execution and tracking, integration with Agile tools, reporting and metrics. So let's start with the first one. The first tool is Jira. Jira is a widely used management tool known for its customizable issue tracking capability. It supports agile methodologies, offers features for backlog management, sprint planning, and collaboration with an extensive integration option. So why using it? It's well known for issue tracking, project management, and it has a large community. Next is Selenium. So what is Selenium? Selenium is a tool. It's an open source testing framework for web application. It enables automation of web browser across platforms, allowing testers to automate tasks, perform functional testing, and ensure cross-browser capabilities. Next is Rally, or now known as CA Agile Central. It is an agile project management tool, emphasizes collaboration, visibility, and analytics. It supports backlog management, sprint planning, release tracking, and integrates with various development and agile and testing tools. Version 1 is an agile project management tool which helps organizations plan, track, and manage agile development projects. It offers features for backlog management, sprint planning, and team collaboration, and support portfolio level planning and tracking. Next is Agile Fan, the last tool on the list. Agile Fan is an open source agile project management tool which allows lean and Kanban methodologies. It offers features for backlog management, sprint planning, and time tracking, and team collaboration, along with focus on visualization and continuous delivery. And the last slide is comparison. This comparison is based on requirement. So to know which tool is suitable for which requirement, but to determine the tool to be used not only based on requirement, it is based on organization and based on business project. So let's start comparison based on requirement. The first one is issue tracking. So Jira is well known for this. It has a robust issue tracking capabilities, allowing team to efficiently manage and track software defect, bugs, and tasks. Tagging and resolve software defect, managing feature requests, prioritize user report issue. Next is test automation. Selenium is a popular choice for test automation, providing a ton of tools for automation web browser across platform. For example, would be automating functional tests, running regression tests, validating user interaction on the web application. Next is Agile project management. So almost all of it offer these features. So this feature is including backlog management, sprint planning, visual board. Next is collaboration. Jira, Rally version 1, and Agile Fan all provide these features. Example of this feature would be commenting and discussing issue, assigning tasks to team member, sharing attachment, and documentation. Next is customization. Jira and Agile Fan offer extensive customization of options, allowing team to tailor workflow, view, and screen to their specific need. Example would be creating custom issue creating custom issue type, defining unique workflow, adding custom field for specific project requirement. Next is reporting and analytics. Rally and version 1 offer a powerful reporting and analytic capability, enable team to track metrics, generating report, and gain insight of the projects. Next is large community support. Jira and Selenium have a large community support, which help with resource support and update. 8 is cross-browser platform capabilities. Selenium specializes in cross-browser platform capability, is ensuring consistency functionality across different web browsers. Next is integration capability. Jira, Selenium, Rally, and version 1 offer integration capability, allows seamless data flow and connectivity with other tools in software development lifecycle. 10 is scalability. So Rally and version 1, these two are designed to support enterprise scale transformation. Example would be managing multiple projects within the organization, aligning portfolio and initiative, tracking dependency across team. Before the last one is time tracking. Agile Fan provide time tracking capability, allowing team to monitor effort and track project progress based on time spent. Next is Lean and Kanban methodology support. So this methodology is aimed to improve project efficiency, team collaboration, and continuous flow of data delivery. And Agile Fan is the only tools that support this requirement. And next, my friend will talk about the conclusion.
So in conclusion, Agile testing is collaborative and iterative approach to software testing that prioritize continuous feedback, customer specification, and adaptability. It improves the quality and efficiency of software development by detecting debug errors and meet customer expectation. It's an essential component of agile development, and its adopt is growing amongst organizations to enhance the speed and quality of the software development. This is so our team member is my group. Thank you for your listening.